All right, so I had a question for you. Why do you guys pull up your visor? What's the importance of it? Because I'm not even really sure. Somebody do a video and tag me in it, please.
I can answer that question. I have my helmet here, and one of the things you'll know when you're riding motocross is you don't actually stand straight up like this. You're in an attack position, which means that your head is a little bit lower and your vision isn't straight out of the helmet, but at a little bit of an angle looking upward. By having the visor pushed down, I've now narrowed the vision coming out of my visor. Now think about it in going through a corner. I'm supposed to look through the corner, which brings my head not only down in my attack position, but off to the side. So now I need to see up, and by having my visor down, I can't do that. But just by pulling my visor all the way up, I've now opened up my line of sight. Last but not least, this is called Goon Style, just in case you wanted to know. And I'm not sponsored by Red Bull, I just really like their drinks.